Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna to show you how to make a bullet and how to make a events for shoot. Before begin, I request to you, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. So let's start the video. Click here, add a new object, spread, and type your name, bullet, add an animation, edit with pixel. Make here a best bullet design. First change this size. Width should be 12 and height 32. Resize it. No. Here we go. Yeah, you can see here bullet is looking good. Tap this name, bullet, save this. Okay, make events for shoot. Events, add a new empty events, add a condition, other condition, keyboard, key press. When a space button will be pressed, then bullet will be fired. Add action, click on bullet, create an object and position per layer, X position per layer and Y position. Go. Click on OK. Add a new empty events. Click on add action, bullet, and add force angle. Here angle will be 270 and speed 400 click on OK. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. If you will click a space button, then bullet will be fire. You can see here. But bullet is going from here. Let's move this bullet going from here. Level. Go to layer, edit object, and click on edit point. You can see here the main point is here. If you will move this point here, middle of this layer, then bullet will be moved from here. Let's preview this. Apply. Click on preview. Yeah, here we go. You can see here bullet is going from middle of this layer. Let's see how to add audio sound. Move this layer down a little bit here. Okay. Go to events. Add an action. Click other action. Here is audio. Play sound. Yeah. From here you can make a lots of audio sounds. This is a best tool to make audio sound, and this is a free tool. Any type of sound if you need for your project, then you can make lots of sounds from here. I need only shoot sounds. Yeah. You can check it by clicking a space button. You can also move this. This is not good. Click one more. This is also not good. It's also not good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, save this. Volume 100. Click on OK. Let's preview this. Here you can see it. Here we go. You can see audio sound is. Okay, so that's all for today. I wish you like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.